Hi. Is this our room?
Yes, would you like a tour?
I would like a tour. Where are we? Jeez Louise.
We're in a Marriott resort.
At the big island of Hawaii, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so show me. What should I look at first? The kitchen?
So we have this lovely kitchen.
Lovely kitchen.
It has a microwave.
For popcorn?
Yes.
Yeah,
And for
okay.
other things you might need.
Okay.
We have
Dishwasher.
this dishwasher.
Very nice.
So you can, this is for the utensils.
Utensils, okay. Is there anything in here? Ooh, stuff for washing.
Yeah.
That's under the sink. Cool. Our own laundry.
Yes.
Very nice.
Here are the
Utensils.
Here
Okay,
are
stuff, yep, for the grill and tongs, okay. What's in the bottom drawer? Okay, hot pads.
And here
And that.
some pots.
Okay, pots, okay. Got it. And a refrigerator. You want to open it up or no? So the top, the
Sorry,
fridge.
I didn't learn how
This.
to open this yet.
Ooh, it has an ice maker. That's very nice. Okay. And we just moved in, so it's empty. They emptied out, so you don't get old people's ice.
And
Ooh. Did it come stocked or did we put that in there?
we put that in
Okay.
there.
Good. Okay. There's the kitchen. All right. And a coffee maker. And they told me that when we call down, they'll give us an instapot so we can boil eggs and noodles and things like that. Okay. What's next?
So we have this lovely
Okay. This is a double. 2 queen-size beds. You could fit a lot of people in here. Ooh, beautiful lamps.
And out here we
Artwork.
have the balcony.
Okay. Ooh, our very own balcony. Oh, and there's the pools. Oh, wow.
You get to see a lot of people.
Yeah.
And
There's a water slide.
Water
Hold on, let me
slide.
zoom in on the water slide. Water slide. Cool. Okay, let's go back and show me the rest of the nice little chairs and a table. Okay.
we have this lovely closet.
Oh, lovely closet. Okay.
It's very big. And on the door there is
A beautiful
this
mirror.
lovely mirror.
Okay.
You can see yourself every morning.
Yes, that's what I want to look at myself.
And we have
Another mirror? Oh my, that's beautiful too. Okay.
And now
All right, so we're back to the kitchen. What's that way?
it's an
Ooh, sliding door for a bathroom, a big old tub.
There's
All
a
right, so it's got,
lovely tub. It's got some
Okay.
matting.
ooh, a mat so you don't slip. Okay.
Yeah.
And a shower head that moves up and down. Okay, nice
Yeah.
tile.
You can take this.
You can take that out. Here, I'll help you. You pick it up. Yeah.
You can take this out and kind of just rinse yourself.
Yep. And you know what else you can do?
What?
Here, so put this back in. You can move this up and down. So for a tall person like me, it can be at the very top. All right, and it came with soap.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
And here are some free samples.
Ooh, free samples, conditioner, lotion,
Body cream.
and okay,
Some more
shampoo
soap.
and more soap. What is this weird looking mirror?
That's a mirror.
Does it make things huge?
Yes, it does.
Let's see.
It makes things cute.
Okay.
So,
All right.
my small watch
Next
now
is
huge.
huge. Okay. Show me the rest of the room.
So,
All right, so that's out of the bathroom. Ooh, this is our living room.
I
Show me
forgot
the
to
living
show
room.
you something. So,
Oh.
there's some more drawers.
Oh, more
We have
drawers.
Some toilet paper and
Ooh.
a hairdryer.
A hairdryer.
We have
a
some more
hamper.
towels.
Ooh, more towels. Okay.
And these lovely towels.
Lovely towels. Okay, beautiful. Thank you for the very great tour so far.
And
Living room.
living room.
Wait, what's in these cabinets? You passed the cabinets. What's in there?
There's
There's the dishes. Let's see. So the Instapot's already here. That's great. We got an Instapot. We got a toaster. We got a water boiler. We got a blender. We got a
Yeah.
colander. Okay, this is fantastic.
Yes.
All right, so we don't even need to call. It already came with that stuff. Oh, lamp on. Okay. So this is our living room. It's got a couch. Does this couch turn into a bed or anything? Let's see. That doesn't look like it does, but this looks like it probably does. Yep.
It's
So this turns into a bed.
yes, it does.
That's really cool, that painting. Okay, so we come over here.
Here's where you put the suitcase.
Oh, suitcases go in this corner. Okay.
And another nice balcony.
Another nice balcony. It pushes out instead of pulling in. Okay, so another nice balcony.
You get a
Same
really
view.
good
Yep. Same view. Here's the ocean.
Also, you do get to see
Ooh,
water
some good waves in the ocean right now.
Yeah. It would be a nice day for kayaking or paddleboarding.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
if you come back inside, I'll show you the master.
The master, okay. Show me the master. Wait, what about these drawers? What's underneath the TV? Anything in there, or was it empty? Empty. Oh, this is for clothes probably for the people that are going to sleep on the pull-out couch. Yeah, they're all empty. Okay. Oh, you put your hair ties out. Good job. Fantastic.
Here's my
Master. Okay. So, got it. There's a little alarm clock there.
And on
Okay.
that side, there's a phone.
There's a phone on that side. There's another dresser.
And then when you
Wait, other balcony.
with
Ooh, a nice little love seat.
Whoopee.
Okay, love seat. Looks comfortable. A little kid could sleep on that.
Yeah.
Maybe like a tiny kid, like a 3 or 4 year old.
Or like a 6 or 7.
You're 7. Curl up. Let me see. Could you sleep on that
Yes, I could.
comfortably?
Yes.
Okay, so there you go. You could fit one extra 7 or younger year old. Okay, last balcony. So there were 3 balconies in this room, and each one has 2 chairs and a small table, and they all have the same view. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that sure is nice out there. I can't wait to go to the pool.
Yeah. Would you
All right.
mind taking me?
Sure. Okay, now show me the last bathroom, I guess.
Okay.
Last bathroom.
The last bathroom is this master.
This is huge.
So you have a shower. Be careful not to trap on this metal.
Oh yeah, don't trip on the metal thing. Another huge shower. No bathtub in here. Leave it, leave it. I'll help you get that later, okay? Came with more soap.
Yeah.
Nice slate tiles.
More samples.
More samples.
There
And
are-
drawers with what's in the drawer. Okay, so same thing, hair dryer, extra toilet paper, tissues. Anything in this drawer, or is it empty?
There is some
Towels. Okay, good to know. So that's a lot of towels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there were some in the other one.
7, 8.
Well, those are
9,
little towels. Those are hand towels. So 6 bath towels in here and a closet, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's a big closet. And it comes with the extra sheets for the pull-out couch, and there's a safe, and there's a thing to put, you know what that's for, Allie?
This is like a
No,
safe?
Allie, do you know what that's for?
No.
Put your suitcase on it. It opens up
Oh.
like this, and then you can put your suitcase on it.
Oh, is it for packing?
Yeah, and unpacking. Oh, and a little vacuum in case you spill your Cheerios. So if you spill your Cheerios or you get sand all over the place, you could vacuum a little bit. Okay.
What about this?
That's a safe. You can put your fancy, expensive things in there, but we don't have fancy, expensive things.
Yes, unless the $100 bills and stuff.
You have $100 bills?
Yes.
Goodness gracious. Okay. All right, so that's the tour, right?
This TV.
Oh, yeah,
Also
and the
a
TV.
dresser.
All right. Anything else you want to say about the room before I stop?
You can plug.
Oh, it has some USB plugs and regular plugs. Okay. This is the Marriott on the Big Island. This is a 2-bedroom suite with an ocean view on the 5th floor. Have a great day. Okay.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed the tour.